Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum salam.
I have two questions to ask.
You can ask one only.
Okay. Would you say it's better to study Quran, to memorize the full Quran, or study fiqh?
Akhi, this is not something that you do and ignore everything else. It's like saying, so Sheikh, do you think that we should only eat protein or only carbs? Nobody does this. You have to have a mixture of everything to live a happy life. You can't focus only on memorizing the Quran 24 hours, 7 days a week. By default, human nature, you won't be able to do this. You want to refresh, you want to read something else, and shaitan would focus to distract you and make you feel bored. A'udhu billah, who can be bored from the Quran if you do it for 6-7 hours? Human nature. This is what happens. So the balance is the key word, and the magical word, and people would come and send me emails, Sheikh, you used magical words, and this is haram, magic is kufr, you've apostated. Sue me. You can say that it is the magical word, which is a metaphorical expression, for a happy life. So study and memorize the Quran, an hour and a half. Then do the tafsir to know the meaning of what you've memorized. Then do some seerah to refresh and to live with the Prophet ﷺ and to learn how he suffered and how he gave us this legacy that he left behind. Then you go for fiqh and try to learn a issue or issues that relate to your ibadah. Then you go to aqeedah. Then you go to this. And then you may just go and hang out and chill with your friends for half an hour to refresh and go back again. This is the right way of doing it. But to be narrow-minded like a horse in a racetrack, has visors beside his eyes, he can only see one direction, but he cannot see the whole world. This is what you should do, and Allah knows best.